Namaste children. Children, in our previous class, we had discussed about exercise part of the second lesson. And there we discussed about tick the correct answers, true or false, and match the followings and other activities we have discussed there. Today I am going to discuss with you about questions and answers of the second lesson. Second lesson is how our earth looks. Okay. Now let us go to the questions and answers of that second lesson. I am going to share those questions and answers on your screen. Please look at your screen, all of you. Yes, please look at this, all of you. Look at this image. Okay. What is a globe? First question is, what is a globe? It is in the same vein. Answer these questions in that first question. What is a globe? Answer, a globe is a model of the earth. A globe is a model of the earth. Please look at it, all of you, and see spellings also. While writing these in your CW, please read out those letters of the spellings. For example, A, globe, G-L-O-B-E, globe, plus is, I-S, is, A, M-O-D-E-L, model, O-F, off. Like this, we have to read and write in the CW. Is it clear? Okay. Then, the second one. What is a map? You can look at this. What is a map? Answer is, a map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Okay, once again I will repeat. A map is a drawing of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. Flat surface, it means whole earth also we can draw on the paper, or some part of the earth also we can. Only India, it is part of our earth. Okay, India is in the different part of our Asia continent. Okay, so it is here in the Asia continent. We can draw only India also on the paper, or we can draw whole Asia, or we can draw whole world on the paper. So it means whole world, if we drawn, it is called world map. Like that, some part of the earth also we can draw. Only one continent we can draw, or only one country we can draw. So that, so it is here. You can consider this one as a map is a drawing of the earth. Whole earth also we can draw it, or part of our earth also we can draw it. Where we can draw? On a flat surface, which is level, which is flat. On that surface we can draw. It may be drawing sheet, or it may be white paper, whichever it may be, wherever you can draw. So that drawing is called as a map. Then let us go to the third question. If you have any doubts, you can call me and ask about your doubts. Third one, what is the difference between an ocean and a continent? What is the difference between an ocean and a continent? Ocean means what? Continent means what? One definition, one difference we need to write here. One, look at that answer. The difference between an ocean and a continent is, ocean means what here? A huge water body on earth is called ocean. A huge water body on earth is called ocean. Then continent means what? A large land mass. It means land area. Land mass is nothing but land area. So, on earth is called continent. Huge water bodies are called oceans, and large land masses or land areas are called continents. How many oceans are there? How many continents are there? Already you know that. There are 4 oceans and there are 7 continents. They are the land areas. one land area is considered as Asia, and one more land area is considered as South America, one more North America, Africa, Europe, Asia, then Australia, Antarctica. These are all land areas, okay, continents we are calling them. Okay, this is the difference between an ocean and the continent. Then let us go to the next fourth question. Here it is, look at this fourth one. Which is the largest continent? They are asking here, which is the largest continent? There are 7 continents. Among 7 continents, which is the largest continent? The largest continent is, or the largest continent on the earth is the Asia. The Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia continent is the largest continent. Smallest continent is Australia. Then the second largest continent in the world is Africa. Already we learned it. Okay, then let us go to fifth question. Yes, look at it, fifth question. Do you think, here it is there, do you think that our earth is a beautiful planet? Do you think? Is our earth a beautiful planet or not? Whether it is beautiful or not? Yes. We must tell that yes, our earth is beautiful. It is a beautiful planet only. We cannot call it is a ugly planet. It is beautiful planet. If yes, yes, we are writing yes only. And if yes, write 3 ways in which we can protect our earth. Save. Protect means nothing but save. Protect. Protect. Protect means save. How can we save our earth? Write 3 routes or 3 ways they are asking. How we will protect your earth? Write any 3 points like that they said. So yes, we can tell that our earth is a beautiful planet only. Yes, I think, answer you can look at it. Yes, I think that our earth is a beautiful place or planet. I will follow these 3 ways to protect our earth. So downside I written 3 ways. You can write your own answers also. Okay, here I written my answers here 1.1, 0.2, 0.3 A, B, C. You can write your own points also here for this question. How we are going to save our earth? Because earth is giving us all the facilities to live on this. Okay, it is giving us water, it is giving us air, it is giving us shelter, everything it is giving us. So we should protect our earth. If we protected that one, that will leave us to live very happy life. If we are not saving it, surely we will get problems like earthquake, deforestation. These kind of things we will face there. So that is why we need to save our earth. I written here option A. I will grow more plants. First one is we need to grow more plants. Okay, to save this earth, we need to grow more plants. Second point, I will stop the use of plastics. Plastics, we should not use plastics. When we are going to the shops, we are asking for the plastic cover. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಒಂದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಾಮಾನನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಒಂದು ಕವರ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಟ್ ನವ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕವರ್ಸ್. ವೆರೆವರ್ ಯು ಗೋ, ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ವೆರೆವರ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೆಮ್. ಅವ್ರು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಬೇಡ, ನಂದೇ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ, ಕಾಟನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್, okay, jute bag, any bag. So you can take and go your own bags, and inside those bags you can bring your things. Don't use plastic covers. Okay, stop it. Then last point, see, I never cut trees in the future. It means in my life I will not cut the trees. I never cut trees. Okay, I am going to save the forest. It means the meaning of this is the third sentence is, I will save the forests, I will save the trees. We should not cut the trees, because trees are giving us air, water, food, everything. Because of trees only we are getting rain. from that raining only we are getting all drinking water. So that we should not cut the trees, okay, and we must save the trees, okay. So these are all the questions and answers of this second chapter. You can write these all the 5 questions and answers in your CW, social CW. You can write and take a photo of your CW and send it to me through WhatsApp, okay, through WhatsApp. Complete this and send it to me through WhatsApp, okay. So these images I will share to your WhatsApp group. Please complete this today itself and send to me today itself, okay. Take care all of you children. I will see you in my next class. Have a nice day.